Hey there, TikTok family. I'm Renard Boyce, the owner of Temple Mortgage. I had an interesting question posed to me yesterday. How can you do loans that other mortgage companies rather, cannot do? I said, well, for a few reasons. I said, that sounds like a TikTok discussion. And so I saved the answer so that I could give it to you, the public at large. She asked me. And so I guess, how can you do things that others can't do? Maybe that's what we're titled. I don't know. But anyway, here's the answer to the question. We don't have overlays, which I discuss in another TikTok discussion or presentation. An overlay is simply this. No matter what the VA, FHA, or Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac underwriting guidelines are, for example, you can typically do a VA loan down to a 550, 580. You can have lates in the last, as long as you've been clean for the last 12 months, no late payments. You can have a collection, all right? You can have a repo up to $3,500 to $4,500 with most of the lenders that I work with. What most lenders, 90% of the other lenders, remaining lenders, would say is no. They have overlays, no judgments, no collections, period. No late payments within the last 2 or 3 years, period. Now, what's the issue there? And here's the issue. Each loan, FHA, VA, and Fannie Mae, have their own nuances. What did I mean? Nuances by the fact that they have certain underwriting guidelines that are specific and germane to them. For example, a VA loan is the most liberal loan of all loans that one can get. A VA, once again, only requires that you've been on time for the last 12 months. Okay? You can have medical collections. You can have a judgment, even if up to a certain amount. Old judgments don't count if they're under a certain amount. Now, you can't have a credit history full of judgments and collections, but you can have blemishes. And in certain cases, if you're making payments or restitution, we count that as a debt against you, but you can move forward. Medicals, once again, are not counted. Conversely, Fannie Mae, you have to be clean, no late payments, on time for the last 3 to 5 years, all right? 4 to 5 years, or have high credit scores and have very good financial cash reserves. FHA, no lates within the last 24 months. Most lenders, and here's the key, want all of the clients, all borrowers, to look like a Fannie Mae client. They want a cookie cutter type client. They don't want any lates. They want you to be on time, substantial savings, high credit scores. 650 used to be a good score. Now it's considered a C minus score, maybe even a D plus. 723 is like a B minus. 730 to 750, A to A minus, 750 and above, A, and 800, A plus plus plus. Okay? Well, A plus, because now I have clients coming in with 834 scores. That's who they want you to look like. They want you to all look like one seamless Fannie Mae client. And so when you get denied, I don't want you to walk away feeling defeated as though it was you. It wasn't you. I once did a video, and if you go to my website, you'll see all of my videos. And the video is entitled Denied. And there's a specific lyric that says they just don't do loans for folks like you. That's the issue. It's not you. They don't do folks for loans like you. But guess what? Help is in sight. Give us a call because we love helping people just like you. Give me a call. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.